Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to add your store information. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings option. Tap Store Description. Provide your store description. Once done, click Save. Next, choose Store Location. Choose Drop a Pin to get an accurate location. Please remember to allow the app access to your location. Once this is done, you will see the full address in the location box earlier. Alternatively, you may provide your shop address in the location box. We will now move on to the next step. Choose Store Contact Method. Fill in the required details. Once done, click Save. Next, we will move on to insert your online store's return policy. Choose Return Policy. Fill in your return policy in this section. Once done, click Save. Lastly, let's enable the chat widget for your online store. This function enables your customers to get in touch with you easily. Please note that this is a paid plan feature. In the Store Settings page, go to Messenger widget and enable it. Fill in the required details for the chat widgets you'd like to include in your online store. Once done, click Save. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.